Filipino flyweight. What a body combination by this Filipino flyweight.
Nito lamang September 28, 2024, dumayo sa Hong Kong ang ating kababayan na si Benjan Ray Yagahon. Isang tubong Balay City, Bukidnon para labanan ng pambato ng Thailand na si Tirachai Saiwang. Isa itong undefeated at makamandag ang kamao. Sa lahat ng mga nakalaban nito, isa lang ang nakaligtas at hindi napabagsak. Kaya masasabi nating may taglay na lakas itong Thai boxer na ito, mga boss. Ang kanilang bakbakan ay isang 6-rounder pero napakahalaga ng laban na ito. Ginanap ito sa PMQ QB sa Hong Kong. Ang ating pambato na si Benjan Ray Yagahon ay may tangkad na 5'6", may haba na mga galamay na 62 inches. Top number 9 sa ranking sa lahat ng mga mandirigma natin sa super flyweight division at may knockout to win ratio na 100%. May kartada ito, mga boss, na 6 na panalo, walang talo, at lahat ng 6 dito ay tinapos by knockout. Samantala ang kanyang katunggali naman, mga boss, na si Tirachai Saiwang ay isang 23 taong gulang, top number 17 sa lahat ng mga pambato ng Thailand sa super flyweight division. May knockout to win ratio ito na 75% at may bitbit na kartadang 4 na panalo, walang bahid ng talo, at 3 dito ay tinapos via knockout. Huwag na natin patagalin to, mga boss, bakbaka na agad.
Benjan Ray Yagahon will take on a fight record of 5 wins, all by knockout against Tirachai Saiwang from Thailand with a professional fight record of 4 fights. There you have it, that knockout power, very apparent in the first round. Shot to the body.
Always coming from a knockout.
This kid from a Verano boxing club is very promising.
He came all the way from Bukidnon.
A lot of Filipino fans, shout out to all the Filipino fans and also from our also to our Thai fans from Thailand. Those who are looking for their Saiwang.
Viewers right now.
This is going to be this is scheduled for 6 rounds.
Yagahon is fighting the body right now.
You're absolutely right. Right. Sort of like a short hook to the body by Benjan.
You could say Yagahon is a little bit lightness in his body to perform well in this
Check with the body. They got both by Benjan. International fight with Tirachai Saiwang.
Yagahon is stalking Saiwang. What a body combination by this Filipino flyweight. Oh, that left to the body. Send Saiwang to the canvas.
Body shot by Benjan Yagahon. Tirachai Saiwang unable to get up.
Wow.
And Benjan Yagahon is 6 wins, still undefeated, partner, all by knockout.
What a spectacular performance by Yagahon.
kung ngayon ka palang napadpad sa ating munting channel mga boss, mas maganda kung nakasubscribe ka na at pindutin mo na rin ang notification bell button para lagi ka ma-notify sa ating mga bagong uploads. Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video ngayon mga boss. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Mabuhay, ingat po, and God bless.